Yes. What's going on, family? What's going on? What's going on? What is going on, family? Man, it's been a minute since I went live here on the tube, but we are here. We are live. We are back. And this has been a while, but I'm excited to be here with you guys all today. And let's see what the market's got in store for us today, y'all. Let me make sure everything is working. If y'all can hear me, family, let me know in the chat. If you guys can hear me, let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat one time for the one time. Please. I appreciate y'all. And big shout out to every single one of you guys that are tuned in right now. Let's get it. We are here, family. Let's go. And we're here, man, live for another session. I know I haven't been on YouTube in a while. Been just focusing on my own private communities in the background. You know, locked in with my fellow traders that been trying to take things to the next level, man. But I'm excited to be here back on the YouTube and see what we can ultimately do for today. If you guys have not just yet, family, go ahead and smash that like button one time. Again, since I am back on YouTube right now, you know, the discoverability is not going to be as good as it could be. But I want y'all to definitely go ahead and smash that like button. Let me know if you guys can hear me in the chat. Make sure everything is good to go. And then we can get things rolling. I wonder if this mic sounds... Let me make sure. I want to see what the microphone sounds like. Swag is not off. What's going on, Swag? Appreciate you for being here. Let's get it. We are live. Focused Mind in the building as well. What's going on, Focused Mind? I like that name. Focused Mind. You always got to have a focused mindset. Let's go. I want to make sure my mic sounds good, though, because I know I have... I have this headset mic on. Doesn't sound too bad, but I think I can make it better. Hold on, let me check real quick. Give me one time. Let me see. All right, we got to leave it like this for now. We're gonna have to leave it like this, family. But how y'all doing, though, fam? How y'all doing, man? How y'all doing in the chat today? Are you guys ready for a phenomenal trading day? Because I know I am excited to be here. I'm excited to be on YouTube once again. Again, it's been a minute since I came on here. I really might start being a lot more consistent here on YouTube. But yeah, the reason why I haven't is just because I've been locked in with my own community, man. We've been, you know, live streaming, trading together for a minute. But I felt like I missed y'all over here in YouTube world. What's going on, Mystique in the building, locked in from Eastern Caribbean. Shout out to you. We got Taini in the building as well. What's going on? I appreciate y'all for being here, family. Go ahead and smash that like button, family, if you guys have not done so just yet. And we're gonna get into this, man. We're gonna have a phenomenal session. I'm excited for what we are going to be able to accomplish today. And I think it's gonna be a banger. Now I am gonna be trading both futures, and I'm also going to be trading CFDs, Forex. What most people consider CFDs is Forex, but in reality it's just CFDs. So I am going to be trading futures via prop firm. I am funded with Take Profit Trader. I am also funded with Funding Ticks. So I'm going to be trading those accounts. But I also am going to be trading with my CFD broker, which is where my personal account is at, and that is with Henkel Trade, right? So big shout out to Henkel Trade in the building. And yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. So I'm trading those portfolios to see what we can ultimately come up with. So, and if you guys are looking for a new broker, a new CFD broker, then definitely go ahead and check the link in the description down low in the bio. Go ahead and sign up with Henkel Trade if you guys have not yet. Henkel's been around for a minute now, and they're still doing really good business, man. So if you are looking for a new broker, Henkel Trade is definitely the way to go for sure. And for anybody that does sign up with Henkel Trade, let me know. I can get you added into our free community, right? Because I do have my paid community, which I honestly is not really open anymore. I don't even accept anybody into my paid aspect anymore. So whoever's in there, congratulations. But what we have been pushing, guys, is a free community called TradeStar, right? And in this free community, we literally give you guys everything that you need. I mean, we call out signals all day long. All right, it's myself and a bunch of other educators, a bunch of traders. All right, and if you want to see what the results is looking like, the results are absolutely insane from the signals that get called out. Look at this, right? $800 yesterday. That guy had a bad day so far, you know. But overall, guys, yeah, I mean the results are here. Like I'm talking about thousands and thousands and thousands of results in this chat. I don't know what's going on with this guy. He's getting cooked. Damn, down 9,000. That's nuts. But yeah, everybody else though, I mean, for the most part, you'll see a lot of testimonials in here. A lot of people making money in this free community. So if you want to get access to this free Telegram, that gives you access to free trading, free signals, free live streams, free education, everything that most of us used to pay monthly for, we give it away for free inside of that community. All you gotta do is click on the link in the description down below, and then you'll figure out exactly how to get added into that community. Okay, so hopefully you guys are understanding of that. But family, man, let's go ahead and lock in now, man. We are about, what, 12 minutes out from the open here. I primarily focus on trading the Nasdaq. I look at the S&P. I also focus on, not really as much as I should, but I also look at gold as well. But I don't have any issues at all analyzing anything that you guys want to look at. So it don't matter if it's an index, a gold, a commodity. It don't matter if it's a currency pair, whatever it is that y'all want. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help y'all out. I'm here to just break down exactly how I trade, how I analyze the market, and what I do on a daily basis, and what allows me to pay my bills. So we're gonna see what we get here, fam. But yeah, really 95% of the time I'm trading the Nasdaq though. Just being honest. 95% of the time I'm trading Nasdaq. Alright, so we will see what we got here though, family. But ultimately, man, what do I think the Nasdaq is going to do? Well, yesterday we had a very interesting day. The market literally was falling very aggressive. This is almost a 400-point drop, guys, right? Like, this ain't no small drop right here, right? This is a 400-point drop out of nowhere, right? But the market rebounded almost just as much, rebounded 300 points. So 400-point drop, rebounded 300 points. So yesterday was extremely volatile. And just from the sentiment on social media, a lot of people blew accounts yesterday. A lot of people got absolutely destroyed just because of how volatile the markets were and just because of what it's been doing. But since then, right, since we actually were able to rebound, the market has been slowly making its way higher here. Right, and we have to always understand, guys, where our draws on liquidity is, right? Where do we expect the market to ultimately go throughout this day, throughout this session, for us as day traders? We did take out sell side liquidity down here at these lows, which kind of caused that reaction to the upside. Now our next draw on liquidity, in my opinion, are going to be two levels. We can either come back and sweep below this level right here, which is another sell side liquidity area, or we can target up to buy side, which will be above here. Now again, everything I'm looking at, guys, is from futures pricing, so keep that in mind. I am looking at NQ on the futures side. Okay, so the actual pricing is going to be a little different as opposed to looking at NAS 100 here on the Forex side or on the CFD side. Okay, so CFD's NAS, we're looking at 23,416. That's the current price. But futures, the current price is 23,450, right? So it's about a 50-point difference there. So just keep that in mind if you're trading Forex. If you're trading futures, that I am looking at the futures chart. So the pricing might be different. But what you really need to focus on, instead of just the pricing, focus on the key levels that I'm marking, the structure points and all that stuff, so you understand exactly what's going on here. But yeah, the market could do one of two things, man. It could literally just continue to trend higher, and we can go ahead and see the market get up into this buy side liquidity area. Or at the open, we could see this thing possibly fall, get down into this level, maybe test, you know, this last little sell off, and then from there they can give us another reaction to the upside here. But I'm interested to see what we do here, man. We've been selling off pretty aggressively here for the past few days here. Is the market getting ready to finally rebound and getting back into its flow state to the upside? I mean, only time will tell, right? I know I'm personally just going to be reacting to what price does and see what happens. Now, I personally, most of the time, I am a buyer of the Nasdaq. All right, I don't mind taking a short if that's where, you know, if that's what the market is telling us, but I personally prefer to really look for the longs all the time. Just because I know that this asset, for the most part, if we really look at this from a bigger time frame, like what does it typically most of the time do? It goes up. All right, it goes up. Right, more times than not, this is going to be bullish long term. So even when we are going through a period of correction, which it seems like what we've been doing here, you know, we just gotta be mindful that this thing can literally rebound at any given moment and start pushing back into its true direction, which in my opinion is to the upside here. Okay. So hopefully this is making sense, family. Hopefully this is making sense, man. We got Hard Hitter in the building. What's going on? Shout out to Mike from Nashville in the chat. How are you doing, Mike? Appreciate you for being here today. So we will see what we got here, family. Again, I am going to be trading both futures and CFDs. So we'll be able to look at this together. And whenever I do jump into a trade, if I do call out an idea, then I will show you guys exactly where I'm at, my entry, and I'll show you guys everything that I'm doing here. But man, we are back on YouTube, family. And I'm excited to be here with you guys all for sure today, man. Let's see what the market got for us ultimately. But we are about 8 minutes out here from the open. Right now, price looks like it wants to continue higher here, just from the look of what price action here is in a 1 hour time frame. Right, we had this bearish 1 hour close back below a key level, but the market completely erased it. So it shows that the buyers truly are dominating right now. The buyers are trying to just continue to push price higher. And if we do get some more displacement to the upside, then yeah, we could use this 23,430s areas as a level of support to continue to drive us higher towards that buy side liquidity area up here. So we'll see what happens here in the open, but yeah, that's so far that's what we're looking at. As long as we can, you know, continue to stay above this key level here, then I think we should see more upside, for sure. Now, one tool, guys, that I think like is a great tool to add to your charts if you guys do not use it yet is the VWAP. Add the VWAP. You realize most professional traders use the VWAP, and it's just because it's a great tool that helps us identify what the overall momentum is. Right? What is the overall momentum? What is dominating, the buyers or the sellers? And this is very simple. This tool resets every day. Right? At the close of the market, it resets, and then it moves based on the average of what price is actually doing based off the previous session. So since we are above the VWAP right now, that tells me that the buyers truly are in control. So as long as we are above the VWAP, I want to continue to look for buys. If we see price shift lower and get below the VWAP, then at that point we have to expect possible moves. We could expect a possible move lower here. Okay, so as long as we are above it, I really do like the upside. I like the continuations here for sure, for the VWAP itself. Okay, so we'll see how this continues to play out throughout the session, but I'm looking at and I'm liking buys as of right now for the Nasdaq. So we'll see. We could get a little sweep here. My keyboard just died, dude. Give me a second, y'all. My keyboard just died on me. Boom, boom, boom. Let's lock this in, man. All right, cool. Yeah, so there is a chance that at the open we see something like this. Price spikes down just to go ahead and take out this low, and then from there we might see this thing rebound and then start to really trend higher here. So let's see. I wouldn't be opposed to this. You know, we do got some of these imbalances down here that are still technically open, so a sweep below this level I would not be surprised on, but then I will like to see if there's opportunity to continue back to the upside here. So something like this is what I would like to see ultimately. Next, I mean, the obvious target will have to be up at this drawn liquidity here, which is Sunday's high, pretty much the week high, right? If we can go ahead and take out current week high, that'll be nice. But we are coming off obviously a lot of selling pressure, but you know, we'll see what the market got in store for us here. We are about 5 minutes out from the open. 5 minutes out from the open, so we will see what the price does. But how's it going though, fam, man? Everybody good, man? Y'all a little quiet. I know y'all missed me. I missed y'all too. I know y'all missed me. I missed y'all too, man. Especially for all the OGs in the chat that been rocking with me, that have supported me. You know, I appreciate y'all. Y'all the superstars here, not me. But yeah, let's just be patient here, family. Let's be patient and let's see what we got. can you guys hear can you guys hear the beat in the background or no? Can you guys hear the instrumental in the background? Let me know. Let me know if you guys can hear that. I wonder if you guys can. Yes, perfect. All right, cool. Let me see. Down through, but I give and go. Let's see. Yes, sir. We got Zay in the building. What's the word, Zay? Appreciate you, my brother. Good to see you in the chat. Let's see what price is doing here, family. Again, we are about 3 minutes here from the open. Again, this is what I would kind of like to see. There is a chance that the market even goes for the bigger sweep first. Right, there is that chance as well. But if we do get a much bigger sell like this, if we do come all the way down and take down this sell side liquidity down here first, there is a chance that this just continues in this bearish trend, right? So if we do see something like this, right, and we actually take out this low, don't be surprised if we do just continue to go lower. Like, I wouldn't be surprised by that at all, right? So for the buy situation, I really don't want to get back below this 23,340s. I don't want to get back below this level, because if we do, then yeah, the sells are probably what's going to play out. But for now, this is what I like. I would like something like this. Now, before we got the open, let's talk about gold, man. Gold has been on fire, family, man. Shout out to anybody that might be holding these gold longs, because gold is just creating all-time highs right now as we speak. Like, it literally just created a new all-time high this hour candle. All right, gold is at $3,600, above 3620s for the first time in history. And now that we are trading at all-time highs here for gold, this really could just keep going. I'm not even gonna lie, family. All right, gold really could just literally keep flying here. Like, this thing is nuts how much of a rocket ship this is on. Like, insane. Did anybody catch any buys off gold lately? Anybody in any of this? Anybody holding this? If you holding this, you are a beast. Because this is a move, man. That's a move, bro. That's crazy. Gold is just on fire right now. And it's going to be hard to get involved in that. You got to just look for continuations at the end of the day there for that. Because that thing is going nuts. I can't lose. Alright, let's see what we got here, family. We are about to get this open here in about a minute. I bought gold this morning. Okay. Let's go, Mike. You know I'm locked in. Love it, Zay. Come on, we locked in, man. Let's see what we got today. Man, it's my first time back on YouTube in probably a minute, guys. When was the last time I went hit live here on YouTube, bros? What, 6 months to a year? It's been a little while. I'm not even gonna lie. It's definitely been a little while, man. But I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to be back, and this might be something that I do more consistent with y'all. For sure. All right, let's see what we got here. We got 30 seconds left for the open. Talk to me nice, Price. What you trying to do? Come on. Shimon Lee. You gonna take out these lows first before we go higher? I ain't gonna be mad at you if you do. Bounce off that VWAP, fall down, bounce off the VWAP, and then give us a nice opportunity to go higher. I wouldn't be mad at that. We do got this 1 hour fair value gap as well that's still open. The 1 hour FVG that could be tested. So price could literally just give something like this. All right, we got the open, family. Let's see what price does here in the open. Again, I would like to see something like this here, a sweep lower, and then for this thing to rebound and start pushing up. Again, as long as we stay above the VWAP, I'm liking the longs. A test of the VWAP will be phenomenal, though. And if this just starts pushing and starts driving without giving me this sweep first into this fair value gap, then so be it. So 1 hour FVG right there. Let's see. Let's see. Price is trying to push lower here. I mean, how are you guys feeling, fam? Are you guys bullish or bearish indices? Are you guys bullish or bearish indices? Are you guys bullish or bearish the Nasdaq, the S&P? How y'all feeling, man? The S&P, I feel like could be something similar. S&P is moving a little bit slower, but all right, fam. We are now in that fair value gap. There, we are in that 1 hour gap. Price literally could start reacting here to the upside. But we are literally getting this reaction here. Let's see. We tapped into the gap, bounced off the VWAP perfectly. I'm still not in anything. I'm just gonna be watching. But if I do take something, it will be something like this. But I want to see how this first 5 minutes. I typically let the first 5 minute candle close, family, right? Because there's a lot that can happen within this 5 minutes. So, right. So I let the first 5 minute play out. There are times where I jump in earlier, but right now I want to see this play out. See how it play here. This again, we have seen so much selling pressure. This could literally just keep tanking, but I think this is a good area to really start looking for possible longs. So I'm not even gonna lie. Let's see what price does here. We are starting to rebound a little bit. Price is starting to rebound. Again, you see how we're starting to react from this gap after sweeping this little level of structure. This is what is this? It's not a London session low, but let's see how this plays off here. Again, some of y'all I know probably are heavy-handed, might be taking some early stabs here. I'm chilling so far. I want to see how this first 5 minute plays out. Way-oh. Definitely been a hot minute. Glad to see you back on this for sure, man. I feel like this is just like the easiest place to go live just because people are so used to YouTube and are comfortable with YouTube as opposed to like anywhere else. Because typically, you know, I be going live on Discord in my community, but let's see. We got this sweep. We tapped into the 1 hour gap. Talk to me nice, Price. What you trying to do, hell? Talk to me nice, ski. Yeah. Let's see, so far giving a nice little reaction here off of this level. And then the fact that we also left these highs behind too, yeah, it tells me that there's definitely a good possibility we run these highs. Target this relative short high, this current day high right now. If we could take out the current day high as well after this, that would be solid. But yeah, this is looking solid, family, right? I'm not mad at taking some longs up in this area soon here. We got about a minute left for the first 5 minute candle closure. Talk to me nice, Price. Talk to me nice. What you doing? Let me see. Give me a second here. Give me a segundo. We're about to get this first 5 minute close here. Again, I like the bounce off the VWAP after the sweep of liquidity. I'm not mad at this. Again, if price were to just continue to drop though, like we have to really consider, all right, there's probably a lot of selling pressure. This might continue dropping, but we got that first 5 minute close. This is not bad, man. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. Let's see how we can get an entry now. Now that we got the sweep, we need to see some displacement, right? Now I want to see price actually show that it wants to really start to push. Obviously, taking a stab down here off the bounce could have been cool, right? You have a nice entry right now if that's, you know, if that's what you ended up doing, but you know, I like to wait for a little bit more especially when I'm live, right? I like to make sure that I'm waiting for my confirmations, being very patient, just because I want to make sure I get a good idea here on the tube while people are watching. So we'll see, man. We'll see how this plays off. Let's see what price is doing. Price is trying to push down here. Let's see. We can get another retest of this. This is what I'm gonna do now, right? I'm looking at this, I'm liking it. I might set this buy here. I'm looking at this and I might set a buy on the flip of this current 5-minute candle. It's already starting to do it. I was gonna set a buy on the flip back up, a flip back to the bullish side here for this 5-minute candle, but let's see what it does here. Come on, price, talk to me nice, talk to me nice. Just being patient, family, just being patient. We're seeing everything we want to see so far. I just want to see a little bit more displacement. I want to see actual evidence that we're going to start going up. I'm not too concerned about trying to get the best risk to reward. Just I want to make sure I get a confident entry that I can actually hold. Because if this works, I think we can definitely go ahead and see a solid move all the way up to the 550s, which is about 100 plus points away. So just being patient here, man. Being patient. We're seeing everything we want to see. We are getting these rejections from the gap, bouncing off the VWAP. You know, if you're a little bit more of an aggressor trader and you agree with what we're looking at, I mean, ain't nothing stopping you from starting to scale in. For me, though, I'm chilling. I am chilling. Let me see. Give me a second, fam. I want to make sure I'm not exposing anything that I shouldn't be exposing. Where'd you just go? Give me a second. Okay. All right, let's see. We are pushing a little bit lower, continuously retesting this VWAP. That's why I'm waiting for displacement, right? You know, just getting into this area is a good confirmation that we could see a reaction, but you know, I want to see actual evidence that this market is getting ready to go up. So that's why I'm still waiting here, being patient. If this just continues to drop, family, then that's fine, right? We can always look for, you know, the retest back up to then look for the continuation. If it does continue to drop, then there is a decent chance it's probably just going to go back bearish that we've been for the past week or so. But I'm just being patient. Ain't no reason to rush. We got Michael and the G in the building. What's going on, Mike, man? Appreciate you for being here. I know it's been a while since y'all seen me here on YouTube, so I'm excited for being here. Appreciate y'all for being here with me today. And we will see what the market got in store for us today. All right, we're still testing the 1 hour gap. Still bouncing off the VWAP here. 1 minute time frame is trying to push up, but let's see what we got. We got less than a minute here on the 5-minute candle, and then we have 5 minutes after that for the opening range to be set. But so far, this thing looks like it's trying to continue to go higher here. Let's see. Let's see. 30 seconds left for this next 5 minute. If we start to see a shift in structure here back to the upside, that's when I really would start to look for a nice play. All right, so a break of this high right here, this little relative high, I will possibly start looking for attempts to scale in here. Start looking for these longs, because everything is looking solid, man. We're getting nice rejection here off the fair value gap, the 1 hour gap. We're bouncing off the VWAP. We're above the VWAP. Market has been trending higher essentially overnight all day, so we got these highs as well as easy targets that we can go ahead and potentially go after. So yeah, I'm not too mad at this. Let's just see what price does. Just still waiting. I'm still waiting. I want to see a shift structure here. If we can shift structure, that'll be phenomenal. Come on, price. Show me that you want to go higher. Show me that you're trying to go higher, baby. Come on. Show me what you're trying to do. Show me what you're trying to do, baby. Just waiting. So far, we're pushing right back down. We're about to test the VWAP once again. Again, it's only been 10 minutes since the open, so we got no reason to try to rush into this just yet. Yep, price is pushing lower again. That's why I'm still waiting. I wanted to see the breaking structure first before we got anything. We still haven't got it. Again, I want to see a shift up here. I need to see us break this level first. You know, once we're able to get above here, I think we will be solid to start looking for the buys. Just gotta be patient. Patient. And if it keeps dropping, then we'll just adjust. Winners adjust, family, right? Winners know how to adjust. I see we're pushing lower here. We're pushing lower. If we invert this 1 hour gap, man, then this is definitely going to go lower, but we still got plenty of time for that. About 18 minutes for the 1 hour closure. Again, this is just a 1 hour gap right now that we're trying to bounce off of, but let's see if it has enough to. Right now, price is still pushing, trying to push lower here. Price is really trying to just push lower here, so let's see. Be patient. Let's see, we got Daquan in the building. What's going on, Daquan? Good to see you. Good to see you in the chat, man. Let's see what we got here. Big shout out to everybody that's in the building. Let's go. Come on, price. Talk to us nice. Price is trying to rebound back up here now. Look at this. Price is trying to rebound back up. Let's see again. You see how it's respecting the VWAP and respecting the gap, man. Again, I know some of y'all might be trying to scale in already. Just make sure your stop loss is in the correct spot. You know, I'll give it around a 50-point stop if you're trying to take it from right here. I like to tighten up my stop. I like to get a little bit of better risk reward as much as possible. So I'm going to wait for what I want to wait for. But it's looking solid so far. Look at that 1 minute time frame. Nice 1 minute close there too in the 1 minute. Back above the VWAP. I'm not mad at it. Come on, Price. What are you trying to do? Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice here. We're about to get this opening range set right now, guys. We do have 5 seconds left for the opening range to close. So it's first 15-minute candle after the open. And again, it respected the gap. It respected the VWAP, man. All we need is a little bit of displacement. Show me what you're trying to do, Price. All right, we got the sweep of these lows. Now we need to see Price start to make its way towards these highs. Come on, I like what we're seeing so far. Again, what I'm waiting for, fam, just so you guys are aware, lower time frame, 1 minute time frame, right? If you look at this, what has Price done? We created this low, created this high, created this low right now. I want to see us break above here. You know, a break above the first lower high that was created, which is this level. If we can get a nice break above there, solid close above there, I have no reason not to start scaling it. You know what I'm saying? So something like this would be nice. And then we could put our stops right below this low that's being created right now. So if we can get something like this, this will be fire. This would be fire. But we got to be patient. I need to get up here, but we gotta be patient. Mm, 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 mm. Patient pays, absolutely. Patience always pays, baby. I mean, that's the name of the game, man. You could either be a little bit more of an aggressive trader and take it on the liquidity sweep, which is what this is, right? It's a liquidity sweep. Swept these lows and then look for the longs. Or you could just be a little bit more patient, a little bit more conservative, actually get evidence that the buyers are starting to step in, and then from there you can get in, right? And anytime I'm on YouTube or anytime I'm streaming, I'm always going conservative, right? That's just me personally. If I'm by myself, if I'm just trading for myself, then yeah, there's times where I'll take a bunch of stabs, but yeah, I'm gonna be Mr. Conservative right now. But the market is doing exactly what we want, right? The market moves in phases, guys, right? AMD, the power of three, right? Accumulation, manipulation, all right, and then we have distribution. All right, if you understand these three, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, you'll be in good shape. All right, because this is what the market typically moves off. What does this mean? Well, we have a point in time where the market is going to accumulate, go sideways. All right, whenever we are going sideways, market is building up liquidity on both sides, above the highs and below the lows. Then we have manipulation, taking out some liquidity, and then the market starts to distribute to the actual intended direction like that, right? So like this is what I'm talking about with this, the power of three. Accumulation is going to be this first phase. The manipulation is the liquidity sweep. And then the distribution is when price actually starts to go back into the actual direction. Now the aggressive entry is obviously trying to get that entry on the manipulation, right? Where you think that the low could be created, which again, right now, right here, is not a bad area to start looking for these longs if you are believing that we are bullish. For me, again, I'm a little bit more conservative when I'm live, so I'll rather take an entry right here, right? Give me some displacement, show me that you're starting to step in, and then I'll wait for a little pullback, and then from there, I'll get in here. And then we could target this level, and then next highs, and then next highs, and next highs, right? So this is literally the cheat code right here, family. Like if you understand this, I promise you your trading is going to go to the next level. All right, you just got to figure out what type of trader you are. You're more riskier trying to get in on the manipulation, or you're going to wait for the distribution to start and then you get in on the distribution. Getting in during manipulation, you're always going to have the best risk to reward, right? Tighter stop loss, bigger risk to reward, but you're probably going to take some losses trying to find that low. Where if you just wait for distribution to start and you actually get confirmation that buyers are stepping in, you're not going to get the best risk to reward, but you are also going to avoid a lot of unnecessary losses. See, like look at right now, price is trying to push down again. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm avoiding that, right? If I would have took this trade, I'll be seeing a little bit of drawdown right now. It's not to say that this is going to be a loser, right? This thing can still very easily push back up, but dealing with that drawdown right now will probably be a little annoying for some people. So I'm chilling. I'm waiting, man. I ain't got no rush, no reason not to just be patient here and chill. Looking at the 1 minute time frame again, if we are, if price is able to really rebound and start to really break above all this, again, we could start to really scale in here. Don't hesitate. I don't want to close. Now look at that previous 1 minute candle. Previous 1 minute took out the lows again. And now look at the current 1 minute candle. We're starting to see a lot of buyers step in here. Again, I want to see more. I want to see some displacement here. I want to see us get above this level. Come on. And by the looks of it, it looks like price is getting ready to start to push up here. By the looks of it, looks like it's about to start driving higher here. Come on, price. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. What we got? That was another 5 minute close. That last 5 minute also closed back bullish too. Come on, price. Come on, pricey price. Yeah, this thing looks like it's about to start driving here. Let's see. We should be able to start. We should get our entry here soon, as long as this does continue to go the way we think it could, the way I think it should. Come on, price. Give us something. We got 9 minutes left here for the hour closure as well. Look at that hour candle currently. Filled the gap, driving higher. Yeah, I'm not mad at this at all, man. It's looking pretty solid so far. Yeah, we're getting that move that I wanted to see here. See, we're starting to see some displacement. You see these 1 minute candles now, right? Consecutive bullish 1 minute candles. Now we're starting to look exactly how we wanted to see here. Give me this close, a retest, and I'm in there. Give me the close, the retest, and I'm in there. Let's see. Solid, 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 solid so far. Okay, we got to close on the 1 minute above that key level. We got 2 minutes left for the 5 minute candle, but let's see how this plays out here. Just watching these areas. But we are starting to see this displacement here. And we know it's displacement because we're starting to create these fair value gaps to the upside. All right, we're starting to create these gaps to the upside. So yeah, this is starting to look solid. Come on, price. What you're trying to do, baby? Yeah. What you're trying to do? All right, I'm gonna scale in here. I'm gonna take one small position here, family. I'm gonna take a buy here. I'm gonna take a buy here at these levels. I'm gonna take a buy here at these levels. See what price does here. All right, so I did take a buy. Stop is gonna be below these lows. I am in the buy right now. And let's see what price does. Let's see if price can give us a nice move, a nice strong move here. Let's see. My stop is tight. It's right below here, because if we do come all the way back down here, then this might just turn bearish. So that's why I have a stop now right below here, below the VWAP. But this is looking solid if you ask me. That's if you were asking me. I don't know if you were asking me or not, but give me a second here. Okay. Nice. Talk to me nice, price. Talk to me nice. See, we're about to get this 5 minute close here in about 30 seconds. That 5 minute is pretty ugly. If it closes like this, it's pretty ugly, but we're still above the VWAP, so we're still in pretty good shape if you ask me. All right, we got another 5 minute close. We have 5 minutes left here for the hour candle. Again, just look at the situation, right? We had these lows that were generating liquidity. We swept those lows. We have these highs that possibly generated liquidity. So if we took out these lows, where should the next drawn liquidity realistically be? Probably up there, unless we're just going to be bearish overall. All right, and if we're just bearish, then I'm just wrong. And I'm cool with that. It is what it is. All right, I have no issue being wrong whatsoever. So let's see what price does heal. And price is pushing lower here. This thing look like it might go lower here. Let's see. And again, I'm gonna be transparent. I'll show you guys everything too. Like, look at right now, I'm down around $600 on this position. You know, no harm, no foul. It is what it is. You know, down a little bit, a little 600. Just so you guys can see that I'm also taking these trades with y'all. Let's see if we can continue to hold this VWAP, man. We got to respect this VWAP in this gap. Come on. Come on, bounce off it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, Price. You can do it. Just being patient. Letting it play out. We got 3 minutes left for the new hour candle. We are within the macros though, right? Within 950 to 1010. This is when we could see a nice increase in volatility here. Let's just be patient. And if we have to switch bias, then we have no issue switching bias neither. No issue whatsoever. Let's see. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. That's the sauce right there. I promise you it is. The power of three. That's what that's called. The power of three. Understanding how the market ultimately has to move. Because the market moves based off of built up liquidity. And we are pushing lower here. We are pushing a lot lower. We might actually come and take out these lows. And if we rebound and take out, if I get stopped out, but then this thing still rebounds back to the upside, I'm not going to hesitate to take another long here. You know what I'm saying? I ain't going to be scared to take another long whatsoever. So I'm going to let this attempt right here hit me out if that's what it wants to do. You know, I'll look for another entry. All right, take it on to distribution. I hear you. I hear you. I thought we were going to start distributing to the upside here. All right. You know, I started to take it. I took the entry because I see us start to push higher. And I was looking to see if we were going to create that higher low to then continue. And the market just said, nope, we're actually going to push right back down. So we'll just be patient here. Again, I'm already in this, so ain't nothing I can do now, right? I'm just going to accept my L if it happens, or if this could rebound, and, you know, we'll accept the dub too. It's the name of the game here. But let's see, we got about a minute left here. A minute left for the next hour candle. I'm a distribution type of guy too. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I actually like to wait for confirmation. Like, let me know what's up. Like, Price, let me know what you're trying to do here. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what it's about. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see, about to get this hour candle closed here. Let me check what the rest of the indices. I see US 30 is tanking right now. YM is tanking, Dow Jones. The S&P as well also looks like it's starting to push a little bit lower. So we are seeing all the other indices pushing lower, which is not a good sign here for us. But let's see what we get here, man. Let's see. The S&P is going to be closing below the VWAP. The Nasdaq is going to be closing below the VWAP. And the Dow Jones, I'm going to be chilling on my hands for now. I'm going to be chilling on my hands for now, man. But yeah, this don't look too good. Just going to be patient here, though. It don't look too good, but I done seen some crazy stuff happen, so I ain't too stressed. Right, I know we all done seen some crazy things these market done did. Like, we really need to see a close, man. Like, and again, this is, even if I do get stopped out again, it'll matter. If we get a close back above here, bro, I promise we're gonna go for the moon. We need a solid close back above that key level right there. This one, for any of my futures traders, it's gonna be the 415s area. We can get a solid close above the 415s. We gonna be in good shape, man. But let's see. Let's be patient. Come on. Come on, Price. Don't tease me like this, man. I see you pushing back up now. You pretty much got back to my entry, but come on, don't tease me. If you're gonna go, you're gonna go, baby. Come on, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Not to me, out of everybody. Don't do this to me. Like, don't tease me and then just fall. Like, no, let's not do that. But let's see, family, again, if we can get a strong close above this level on the 5-minute, I would have a lot of confidence in this to continue. But like I said, I'm already in it. I already got exposure. So now I just gotta let the market. I'm literally at break even essentially right now. Actually, I'm a little lower than break even. And now we are in profit. Let's see if this can run. Let's see if this can hold, man. Come on, it's a solid 5-minute play right here. If this can hold like this on the 5-minute, man, we're gonna be back in good shape. And this is what I said, man. Again, I don't want to talk too soon, but you know, looking at this, the market was looking a little scary. I'm like, I don't know, it don't look too good just yet, but now it looks a lot better. But again, this could literally still suck right back down and stop us out, right? So the thing about trading this is the key about trading, family. I'm gonna give you guys some game, right? You have to be literally okay with both the wins and the losses. You have to treat them the same. You have to treat them the same. And what I mean by that, I'm talking about emotionally, right? If you win, cool. If you lose, cool, right? Like you gotta be evened out as a trader when it comes to your emotions. Don't get too high, don't get too low. You gotta be right in the middle. All right, because on winning days, you don't want it to spike up to where you're too happy and now you start doing dumb shit like adding more trades or going heavier. You know, and when you're losing, you don't want to be too low to where now you start revenge trading and you start just risking crazy and trading recklessly because you're upset. You got to have that fine balance of staying right in the middle, right? If you're able to have that fine balance of staying in the middle, then you have the ability to be a profitable trader. Like point blank, period. Point blank, period, poo. You know, so. Let's see, we got about 2 minutes left here in the 5-minute. If this can hold like this, again, a strong close above this key level right here, the 416s, man, will be very, very good for us. I would be extremely happy about that because then I don't think there's no reason why we don't take out these highs. Now, in terms of my targets, if this is able to continue to hold, this is what I'm looking at right here. We could potentially go for, this will be TP1 at 23,464s, which is a little bit right above that high. TP2, then TP3 up here at 560s. But we are in profit right now, man. Let's go. Come on, Price. That's what we talking about, baby. Come on. Like, you gave us a little scare, but now you looking a little bit better, but we still not out of the safe zone just yet. Once we get to TP1 and we can go break even, then we can go ahead and celebrate if you really want to celebrate, right? For me, it's just another day at the office, so it is what it is. It's always good to have a winning day, but it's just another day at the office for me, if anything. But yeah, I mean, this thing is going. If we can get to TP1, family, we could go ahead and remove the risk off the table. You can close some partials if you want, and then you can yeah, enjoy the rest of your freaking day. Let's go. But this thing is looking solid, family. Come on, get us a 1-to-1. And these TP levels, by the way, for anybody that might be curious, are based off of risk to reward ratios, right? TP1 is always going to be at a 1-to-1 R. TP2 is at 1-to-2 or 2-to-1 R. TP3 is going to be at 3-to-1 R. All right, that's how I pretty much broke it up. You know, whenever we are able to get at a 1-to-1, which means we are at our risk, we are up the same amount of what our risk was. It's always a good day. And that's why I like to remove the risk at that point. But let's see, we're about to get this 5-minute close. I'm a fan of this 5-minute close, man. If this does come back down and hits me out a stop loss, then that's just the market being on some fuckery. I'm not even gonna lie. The market is just on some fuckery and it's just doing some dumb stuff. Because this looks way better now. It looks a lot better now. All right, now we're actually starting to really see this thing start to push higher, and that's what we want. So come on, Price, baby. Come on. Let's go. It came very close to stop too, family. But we didn't fold, man. We ain't care. Like, it is what it is. We get stopped out, man. Listen, it don't matter if we get stopped out. I don't care about losses. That's the issue about, you know, with most traders, right? They hold those losses in so hard that they allow those losses that they might take to dictate everything, bro. We can never allow these losses, guys, to dictate everything. It is what it is, man. Like, losing is a part of the game. Like, the thing about most traders, again, and I hate to call out most traders, but the reason why they do become so emotional with the losses is because they're over leveraged, right? They risk the entire account. You know, they risked way too much. And now that one loss, those two losses they might have taken completely blew their account. You know, you should never ever blow an account, guys, off of one trade. like let's be real here, right? It shouldn't take you one trade. It shouldn't take you 5 trades to blow your account. You should be able to lose 10 times in a row and still have your account to trade on. 10 losses in a row. It's just most people don't want to respect risk management. And when you don't respect risk management, you lose accounts. You know? So hopefully y'all with me and this is making sense, family, right? This is just a reality that, you know, most traders heard before and most traders need to continue to hear. You know, so let's see, Mystique is in. Okay, let's see if it plays out for us, man. Let's see. Hopefully, God willing, it plays out in our favor, and if it doesn't, so be it. Charge it to the game. It's another day at the office either way. You know, but come on, Price, we're right there. At least give me the TP1 so I can take some off the table and remove the risk. Come on, treat us nicely here. Come on. See, I was down 600 at one point. Now I'm up $300. I'm not mad at that, baby. Come on. Again, full transparency, family. This is, again, my personal account here. Right? Up around $450 so far. We were down 600 at one point. Now we're up almost 450. What a swing of events, right? You know, let's see if price can continue to run for us. Come on. Come on. Treat us nicely here. Treat us absolutely nicely. Come on, you can do it. Let's go. I see you driving. Come on. Come on. I see you driving. I got faith in you. Let's go. Come on. Shimon Lee. We're about to take out current day high. We're about to take out current day high. Let's go. Come on. We're right there. Yep. We took out current day high. So close to TP1 right here. So close to TP1. The only thing I don't like about this right here, and why I'm a little, if I'm gonna go TP1 either way, just because that's per my rules, right? Once we get there, but we do have this gap left open too. All right, so price could always try to retest back down and tap this fair value gap that we have here in the 5 minutes. So don't be surprised if that were to happen before we actually see this. But look at that, we took out the highs, and now price is trying to push a little bit back down here. But I'm still up around 30 points right now currently. Come on, Price. You can do better than this. Come on, you don't even gotta come back down, baby. Come on. You do not have to come back down. Like, at all. I see the hour candle. That was a strong close on the hour previous, but the current hour candle looks even better. Come on, Price. I got faith in you, baby. Come on. Shimon. That's crazy. It literally got within 2 points of TP1. Got within 2 points of TP1 before it's now starting to push down because we swept the highs, created a new daily high. It'd be like that, man. We're about to get this next 5-minute close here again. Since we left this 5-minute fair value gap open, just be mindful, man. We might be coming to retest down here again. Fill the gap. And honestly, if you didn't get an entry on this gap fill, could be the opportunity you need to go ahead and start getting busy. So let's see this gap fill right here. Again, I have two main models, family, right? We have the liquidity sweep, which is down here, or we have the gap fill. All right. We have the liquidity sweep of a major level, aka the manipulation, right? Or we have the gap fill, which is the start of distribution. All right, so now that we're seeing these gaps getting created, this is a very bullish sign for us, but they also might still get filled. So let's see what happens here. Super solid though, family. Super solid so far. Super solid so far. Come on, Price. Come on. So far, let's see what price does here. Top of the top of the top of the top, man. Come on, price. Come on, what you trying to do? You gonna get that gap fill? I think that's exactly what it's about to do now. It's about to go for that gap fill real quick. Yep, we're going for the gap fill. Exactly what I expected. Okay, we're filling the gap right now. We're filling this gap, 5-minute fair value gap. Now we need to stay within this gap. If we close below this gap, then that's, I mean, we'll still be above the VWAP, but that's gonna be a little ugly, right? Because if we end up closing below this gap, then now we have the inversion, right? An inversion could show that sellers are stepping in, right? So just be mindful of that. But it's crazy. This market is just whiplashing, right? We came literally 2 points from where TP1 was, and now we're literally right back. And now I'm a little bit of drawdown. It's the name of the game, right? This game is crazy. Look at this. Look at this game, man. Look at this. Like, what are you doing, price? What are you doing? We still got 2 minutes left here for the 5-minute, but this thing look like it might. Look at this. Now we're seeing a lot of selling pressure stepping out of nowhere. Like, hello? Like, what are you doing? Hello? Are you just gonna keep on doing this now, price? What's up? Like, so yeah, these markets are volatile right now, family. Volatility in these markets, man, are through the roof right now, and that's just because we're getting Q4 volatility, right? Q4 volume is crazy. It really does start to pick up a lot, like a lot. I see we're retesting the VWAP. If we can continue to respect the VWAP, then that'll be solid for us. But this is starting to look a little choppy here. We're seeing a lot of chop here at the open. We had this little sell-off here, little rebound, but we are experiencing a lot of chop right now in price. I don't like that we just created this fair value gap to the downside, though. I don't like that, because now we're gonna have to get back above that to have any chance. This 1-minute gap. Not a fan of how that 1-minute closed, but let's see if the higher time frame can continue to respect it for us. Come on. And we're about to get this 15-minute. Even the 15-minute close looks pretty ugly too now. Come on, bro. It took out the high, came very close to TP1, and now it's looking a little uglier. You see how, like, the swing of events here, right? We went from looking ugly to looking good to now looking ugly again. Super chop. That's what happens when we got these super chop markets right now, man. And we got that 5-minute close below the VWAP. Not too good. Not a fan of that. Not a fan of how this 5-minute closed here. Or the 15-minute close here. Not a fan at all. But we gonna let it play out. It's either gonna hit me at stop. It's gonna either stop me out, or we're gonna, start to go to TP. I'm not gonna micromanage this position whatsoever, right? We gotta just let it play out. And whatever happens, happens. That's just the reality of the game. It's unfortunate right now. It just seems like we're just stuck in chop. It's a lot of chop right now, so. And it's been chopping since 4 o'clock. But I'm chilling, man. Just gotta let it play out. Just gotta let it play out. We did actually invert that 5-minute gap though, which is not good, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Let's see, if it wasn't for you installing risk management early in my training career, really helped me get through losing streaks without being out the game and having a chance to get better. Absolutely. That's the name of the game, bro. I promise you, if you can be disciplined and just understand that risk management is there for a reason, and why every trader talks about it for a reason, then you'll be good to go, man. Mm, 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 mm. I mean, we're still above the VWAP, so we still have a little bit of faith here. If this current 5-minute candle though closes back below the VWAP again, then that's, yeah, ain't no way we're surviving that. Like, we need this 5 minute to really stay above it. But if it sucks back down and we close below, it's gonna be an ugly time for this trade. But we still got 3 minutes to see how this plays out. God willing, 3 minutes. This just goes and gets back above that key level, and we can start driving. No, that'll be the best case scenario, but we'll just see. We gotta see. We got to see what we got here. But I don't know. I don't know. Let's see what we get here. We got any news? We had news earlier. Nothing crazy though. Took the entry, jumped out and waited for a better entry. Working with a small account, so account preservation is key. Absolutely. It's not a bad decision you made. It might save you from a loss that I might take, so I ain't mad at it. I mean, right now I'm at break even. I'm up $10 right now. Now I'm down 20, right? So I'm literally right at break even right now on this trade. So a minute and 45 left. If we can stay like this, man, and close like this, again, we back in, we back looking good, man. Again, just dealing with chop, but I'm respecting I'm just respecting the VWAP. I'm trusting the VWAP, man. I'm trusting my strategy with the VWAP. As long as we continue to respect the VWAP and we respect this 1 hour gap, I mean, we're still in good shape. It's the moment that we get multiple closes below the VWAP, that's when we got to start being like, all right, you know what, it's probably not going to play out. Like, the probability of it not playing out increases like crazy if we had multiple closes below the VWAP. But we only had a slight close over here, and the market is rebounding again now. Come on, we're back in profit. I'm up. I'm back up now. I'm up $600 again now. What alternative events, family, right? Again, just being transparent. Look at this, right? My entry's here, all right? We've been in and out of profit for the past 30 minutes or so. So it be like that. That's trading for you. And I apologize if I look dark too, right? My light that I normally use literally just died when I started stream. Since I haven't done YouTube in forever, I haven't charged it, and it died immediately as soon as I started, so I look a little dark for that reason. But look at this, family. Come on, baby. Close like this. This is a solid close for us. This is a great close. Come on. This is why I don't panic, man. This is why I don't panic, why I don't get fearful. It is what it is, man. Like, if I would have lost, then so be it. If I win, then so be it. That's how we got to charge the game. But this is looking solid so far. Now, we could see another retest back to that key level before, but I just hope that we just run. Like, come on, Price, just run now. Just go. Like, you don't even got to do it. Like, I know you might want to retest one more time, but come on, man. Just go. We've been through enough already today. We've been through enough already today, baby. Come on. At least give me the TP1. At the very least, TP1. Come on. That's the very least. You know what I'm saying? Like, the very leasty. But we really have been so choppy right now, too. So just be mindful, right? I mean, we took out this low, which is good. Right? We grabbed this liquidity down here, which is good, but we're still very, very choppy. Come on, start breaking out. Come on, we got plenty of room to go to the upside. I need you to go all the way up here to the 550s. Come on, I got faith in you. That's only 100 points. You got 100 points in you. Yesterday, you ran for 400, 500 points to one direction. You got 100 points for us today. Like, let's be honest. Come on, Nasdaq. Let's be real here. You got 100 points in you. Absolutely, dude. Come on. But let's see, family. I'm flowing around 600 right now. Alright, we're starting to do a little bit of a retest here, which again I said that we very well could possibly retest before we drive higher. Let's see, it's all good, bro. Dark skins winning, light skins out of stock. Listen, man, I'm a light skin till I die. You feel me? But I'll take dark skin for now. It's cool. I ain't mad at it. Shout out to all my dark skin brothers and sisters in the chat, man. Us light skins support y'all heavily. He said light skins are out of style. I'm not even gonna lie. If y'all been paying attention to this whole stuff with the Atlanta rap beef, man, dark skins are getting cooked. If we're talking about like in the spotlight right now, dark skins are getting cooked. Thanks to your boy Young Thug over there, pillow talking to the whole world. I felt like Young Thug was talking about me at this point. How many people he's talking about? Damn, that boy was pillow talking in jail, boy. Holy shit, he making the dark skins look bad right now. And don't act like y'all know what I ain't talking about. That boy making the dark skins look hella bad right now. Come on, Price. Come on. Just go to TP1. And then smash through TP1 and then smash through TP2. Come on. But this is the most I've been up so far today. I'm up around $700. Let's go. Nice little $700 so far. Come on. Definitely was, again, a very choppy morning so far, man. Last hour has been super choppy for us after the open here. And we're still struggling to get above here. Like, come on, break this level already. Let's go. Now I'm about to turn my parent mode on and you starting to piss me off. Go, Price. Now go. What's up with you? Nah, I don't get pissed off. It is what it is. Come on, come on. I see you pushing. Come on, come on. It is right there. Come on, baby. Come on, man. Just give me 10 more points. Matter of fact, give me 100 points in total, but give me 10 points for now. Like, come on. Like, give me 10 more points, bro. You already gave me 2 little situations where I was like, all right, you know, this might not play out, but come on. I'm trusting in you. I'm trusting in the VWAP, trusting in my setup, trusting in the fact that we got liquidity still built up over here. Even though we swept it already, I still think we good, man. Come on, baby. Drive high. Drive high. Create a new high for us. Come on. I got faith in you. I got faith in you. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Come on. Family, I'm going to go break even right now. I'm not even going to let this thing come back. I'm not even going to play with it. I'm going break even on my position. I'm going break even. I'm up almost $1,000 right now. Actually, around $900, but I am going break even. So at the very least, I don't lose on this trade. Let's go. Secured that. Now we can't lose on this trade. Come on, hit TP1, and I'm going to go ahead and close out some partials. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Just so you guys can see it, again, live account, top right corner. Look at this, TP1 smashed. TP1 smash. I'm gonna go ahead and close some partials here. Come on. Partial close. How do I close this one? Come on. Did they just close my whole trade out? I think I just closed my whole trade out. Well, full close in that TP1 for me. Full close at TP1. I think I just closed my whole trade, man. I did not mean to close the whole thing. But family, W's in the mother junkin' chat, man. Let's go. Done the Marco TP1 hit. Let's go. Let's go. W's in the mother junkin' chat. That's what the hell I'm talking about, baby. Come on now, man. Let's go. TP1 smashed. I'm fully out. I ain't even intend to be fully out. I'm not even gonna lie. I meant to close partials, but I ended up closing the whole thing on accident. But I am out. I made $1,000. Again, I really believe, family. I truly believe there's no reason why we don't take out all the way up here, go to the 550s. Rather, I guess, but I mean, I don't see why we wouldn't. But again, beautiful trade, man. Beautiful trade so far. I mean, for me, it's a beautiful trade overall because I'm out now. But yeah, these absolutely gorgeous, man. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Beautiful way to come back to live streaming on YouTube, baby. That's what the hell I'm talking about. But I'm out. I'm out fully. I'm out fully, man. I ain't mean to get out fully, but I'm out fully. I'm out fully here. Look at that. Hit TP1, and now it's starting to push back in the range. But yeah, I'm out of this trade now, family. I ain't even mean to be out of it, but I am. I ain't mad at it though. $1,000 for the day, man. Who gonna complain about that? I know I ain't. I know I ain't gonna complain about that. Right? You know what I'm saying? So beautiful, 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 beautiful. Way to be patient and allow the trade to play out. I mean, that's the name of the game, right? Like, think about how many times, you know, other traders, right, probably in the same exact setup that I looked at, right? Looked at the same exact thing, but every time we came very close to, you know, our stop loss, they probably micromanaged it, jumped out early, got scared, got emotional, over leveraged, so they got taken out by default. And now they're upset because they're like, damn, man, I could have still been in this. I could have been in there, man. I should have been taking TP now. Nah, man, you gotta let it play out, bro. Again, micromanaging your positions is gonna be the worst thing that you can do as a trader, because now you're trading and you're managing your positions not off of logic but off of emotions. Ooh, that's a bar right there. Boom. Right? You will never succeed in trading, family, when you manage your trade based off of emotions instead of logic. That's just the reality of it. You have to let the trade play out. You have to let the trade do what it does best, man. And that is going to be, you know, just what it is. And if we took the loss on this, guys, I literally will be the same exact way right now. Like, my emotions won't change at all whether I took a loss on this or whether I took a win on this. That's how you got to be. Remember, you can't be too high, you can't be too low in this game, and you got to be right in the middle when it comes to trading, man. But beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. TP1 smashed. I'm fully out, you know, so I mean, I ain't mad at that at all, man. I ain't mad at all. But yeah, man. But family, listen, man, that's gonna be it for me today, man. It's 10:30. I gotta go ahead and make some moves. I'm glad that we were able to get this TP1 hit, and I was able to make some money with y'all on live. You guys were able to see it all. You guys were able to see how I manage my emotions, my thoughts, and everything, and you know, hopefully you guys gain some value from that, you know. But I will probably be back tomorrow. I will try to go back live tomorrow with y'all and see if we can continue, man. Like I said, I miss trading here. I miss trading with y'all live on YouTube, so we're gonna turn up, man. I'm gonna be back tomorrow, and we'll see if we can continue this momentum and, you know, finish the week off strong. So family, I appreciate y'all so much for showing up. Thank you guys for supporting me since day one. I know a lot of y'all been rocking with me for a while, and I appreciate you guys so much wholeheartedly. And you know, hopefully I can continue to show you guys the real of trading, and hopefully it can help you guys out, you know, in your guys' journey. So I appreciate y'all, family. I love y'all. If you guys need me for anything, you know, reach out to me if you need me. All right, family. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all. I'm out of here. Let's get it. Take care.